Good morning, Tony here at Johnson RV in Medford, Oregon. I want to show you this awesome 2021 Leisure Travel Unity. This is a corner bed model. This has the Orca paint. Obviously it's on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis, 3-liter, 6-cylinder turbo diesel. Great fuel economy, tried and true powertrain. Really good size exterior storage on this coach. It's in absolutely fantastic condition. It's only got approximately 36,000 miles on it. Again, this is the Orca paint scheme on this coach. And then coming on inside, again, the condition is fantastic. Driver and passenger seat look brand new, absolutely flawless. The whole cockpit looks flawless. Overhead storage here with the safe up here. Storage here underneath the TV. You also have a spacious dinette right here. Again, more overhead storage. Accent lighting is great. Nice kitchen area. 2-burner cooktop. You have also a convection microwave over here on the other side. Then you have the refrigerator and freezer. This being a corner bed unit, bed is accessible at all times while you're in transit or if you just want to pull over. It's nice to have the slide out where the dinette is for a little extra space there in the living area. Here's a little closet here for your hanging clothes and where the table is stored. And then you have a really good sized bathroom. Great commode position. Some bathroom storage space. And a really good sized shower as well. This is all the build quality that you would expect from leisure travel. These coaches are absolutely phenomenal. This one's in tremendous condition. Again, 36,000 miles or so, 2021. If you'd like more information on this coach or any others that we have in stock, please let me or anybody else on the team know. Thanks again. Have a great day.